Good morning. This is, there's my tripod. This is such a cute angle. Love this for me. But we're gonna be doing a cleaning vlog tonight, but I also wanted to like chat for a second. That's why I'm gonna do this kind of vlog style. I have not been in a very good place mentally. I hate talking about this online a little bit, but I feel like there are a lot of people that struggle. And I feel like if I don't say something and I pretend my life is perfect while I'm traveling 24/7, that is doing a disservice to the internet at this point and to the people who watch me. I know I'm gonna get comments being like, just move into an apartment, that will fix everything, and that won't. In the next couple weeks, I am approaching 3 years sober, and moving into an apartment and staying in hotels, if I've not heard me talk about this before, it's actually super triggering to my sobriety, because when I am bored and I have nowhere to go and I feel very like I don't have to be on guard kind of, that is when I really want to drink. I haven't fully been able to like get out of that yet. I am still in therapy. I'm still figuring my life out. But that would not help at all. So please don't suggest that. I really like living on the road. And I would say like my depression and anxiety and all that stuff is like 100% better on the road, but I'm still human and it still catches up with me every once in a while. And in the last like 6 weeks, it's been catching up to me a lot. I think it's because I'm moving out of the car. The car was such a big part of my life, but then moving into this upgrade, it's just like a lot of moving parts. So yeah, so I haven't been doing great, but I've been doing okay. Like I said, I'm still in therapy. I'm still talking to somebody about it. Don't worry, I'm getting help. But like if you've ever been depressed, like actually depressed, you just kind of have to like wait it out and like do your best to like keep your routine as best you can and get through it. There's really nothing else you can do until stuff just starts to feel better. And I'm starting to feel a little bit better, which is why I feel more confident talking about it online. But yeah, I don't think I had to take a big break from TikTok. TikTok is inherently a lot more negative than YouTube for some reason. But one of my shorts on YouTube did go viral, and I know a lot of people are sick of me talking about the negative, but if I don't talk about the negative, and people want to create content, I feel like it's just part of it, right? Like I can't stop people from saying what they want to say, but at the same time, I have stopped reading a lot of it. Because when things go viral, I know that's like what everybody wants, but when you're getting millions of views, that's millions of people's opinions that you're having to read all the time. So I did hire an assistant, and she is going to help take some of the stuff off my plate, including comments moving forward. So if you see like a Brooke and Pippa moderator comment, that is somebody who I work with, and she has been moderating for me on TikTok for now like over a year, and so I feel really comfortable handing that over to her so I can take a break mentally from reading so much of the negative. And I know a lot of people are like, focus on the positive, and I love reading all your positive comments. Like they make me cry. I love reading them. But they also put this sounds so bad, but they also put like an insane amount of pressure on me. So yeah, I'm trying to do what I can to control my side of things, and I can't control how everybody reacts to me and my life and everything like that. So we are just going to move on from that. But anyways, since I've been not feeling so great, the camper has turned into a little bit of a pit. It is a little messy in here. I've been in here for like 2 weeks at my campsite, and I'm getting ready to move. So that's actually what today's going to be. It's just going to be like a little cleaning vlog because I feel like you guys like watching this stuff. I have no clue though. Do you? I don't know. I did cut my hair off, so there's hair everywhere. And there's just I don't know. Do you guys like this? I have no clue. I just have food like from cooking and groceries everywhere, and like my laundry needs done. I am gonna wait till I get to my next location to do my laundry though, because I don't like the laundromat that's in this town. But yeah, we're just gonna clean today. We're just gonna have a chill little vlog and try to pick up the pieces. Hopefully moving locations will help my brain, and yeah, we'll just keep on going with it. So I hope you guys are having a good day. And probably by the time you're watching this, I'll have felt a lot better. So don't worry about me. I'm doing fine. But I am a real person. So I figured I would talk about it just like a teeny bit. Like, I'm not going to tell you guys like what triggers me and stuff, because that feels like a weapon in the hands of the internet. But I will say I am human. I'm not perfect. The big sad even catches up to you even when you're, you know, in the forest and you have nowhere else to run away to. Alright guys, everything is cleaned up. Thanks for coming along with me, joining in on my little like depression fixer like cleaning, I guess. Sometimes it just helps to like recognize it, call it out, and then clean up, even if it is hard. But Pip and I gotta go pick up some packages now and run all that trash. So I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.